Welcome to the installation video of Fishbone Offroad's tailgate table for Jeep's 2007 to 2018 JK Wrangler. Step 1. The tailgate table can be installed in one of two locations, on the inside or outside panel of your tailgate. We will cover how to install it on the outside first. Begin assembling your table cup holders using the included bolts and nuts with a 3mm Allen and 8mm socket. Step 2. Remove your vehicle's tire carrier and retain the 8 OEM bolts and washers as they will be used for the installation. Step 3. Place the table up to your vehicle and secure it by replacing the 8 OEM bolts with a 13mm socket, and you're done. We'll now cover the inside installation method. Step 1. Assemble your table and remove your vehicle's tailgate wiring panel. Step 2. With a marker in hand, hold the table backing up to the tailgate. Using a spirit level, mark your 4 preferred hole locations that will be drilled out later. We recommend it being as centered and even as possible. Step 3. Begin drilling, starting with a pilot hole and stepping up to a 1/2 inch bit. Step 4. With an M10 nutsert tool, install the included nutsers into each hole. Step 5. Place the table up to the body and install it using the included M10 bolts and washers with a 6mm Allen wrench. Enjoy your new Fishbone Off-Road tailgate table.